This man showed the ultimate act of kindness. With 6 hours of work left, he still found time to create a memory for a little boy that will last forever. Noticing the boy's Tonka truck, he meticulously took his excavator and carefully loaded the tiny truck with dirt. Watch this heartwarming moment unfold and see how a simple act can make a big impact. Leave a comment if you think this made the little boy's day. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more touching and inspiring stories like this.